My dear friends, let's understand the difference between how and what like. They are used to ask questions. Sometimes they are confusing. Let's clear the confusion with examples. You can see two questions on the screen: how is she and what is she like? These two questions, get different answers. How is she means we use this question to talk about something that changes. For example, someone's health, someone's mood. How is she? She is upset. She is ill. She is well. She is happy. The first question should be answered like this. But the second one, what is she like, should be answered like she is tall, she is beautiful, she is intelligent. Means we use this question to talk about something that doesn't change. Someone's appearance, someone's nature, someone's character doesn't change. How is she? You can answer like she is upset, she is happy, she is ill. What is she like? You can answer like she is beautiful, she is tall. Okay, you can use like with a helping verb in present simple tense. For example, how does she look? How does she look? She looks upset, she looks happy. But when you ask what does she look like, you should answer she looks beautiful, she looks tall. Okay, the answer are the same, but the you know adjectives you use are different. Adjectives showing characters, showing something that doesn't change, you use when answering what is she like or what does she look like. Okay, but if someone says what does she like, here she likes apples, she likes dancing. We can also use how this way to talk about someone's reactions to their experiences. When we talk about someone's experience, we want them to speak about their experiences. We can use how this way. How was the journey? The journey was wonderful. It was amazing. We can also use how this way. If you think the video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.